Enlighten Pro.
Learn faster. Speak like a pro.
Wow, this hotel looks so beautiful. Okay, Anna, you did the airport, you did the fly. Now it's check-in time.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand City Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to check in, please. I have a reservation.
Sure. May I have your name?
Anna Rose?
Thank you. Yes, I see your booking here. 3 nights, standard room, queen bed. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. May I have your passport, please?
Oh, yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. And will you be paying with the same card you used online?
Yes, I think so, unless you need something different.
No, that's fine. And we also need a $50 deposit for incidentals.
Incidentals? What does that mean?
It's just a temporary charge. Don't worry. It's for things like room service or damage. You get it back when you leave.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Perfect. Your room number is 512 on the 5th floor.
Great. Thank you so much. Excuse me, Mark. Before I go up, I have a few quick questions if you don't mind.
Certainly, Miss Ruz. How can I help?
First, I need to ask about breakfast. What time is breakfast served and where is the dining room?
Breakfast is served in the dining room on the ground floor. It is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. every morning. On weekends, it is open until 10:30 a.m. The dining room is on the ground floor, just past the lobby.
7 to 10. That's perfect. And also, is the Wi-Fi free or do I need to pay for it?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is complimentary. The network name is Grand Hotel Guest, and the password is Welcome 2025. You can also find this information on the back of your key card holder.
Grand Hotel Guest, welcome 2025. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please let me know if you have any trouble connecting. Is there anything else I can help you with before you head up?
Yes, one more thing. I sometimes have problems with hotel key cards. Can you quickly explain how it works on the door?
It's very simple. Just hold the card against the black panel on your door until the light turns green. If the light is red, please try again. Sometimes it takes 2 tries. If it still doesn't work after 3 tries, please come back to the reception and we will check the card for you.
Okay, I understand. Hold the card until the light is green. Thank you very much for your help, Mark. You have been very helpful.
My pleasure, Anna. We hope you enjoy your stay. Have a good evening.
That's strange. The door isn't opening. Am I doing this wrong? Okay, let's try one more time. Please work. The light flashes red again. Oh, great. Really? I don't think this card works at all. Wonderful. Now I have to go all the way back downstairs. Hi again. My room key doesn't work.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Sometimes the card gets demagnetized. Did you maybe keep it next to your phone?
Demagnetized? What does that mean?
It means the strip on the card stops working. Phones can erase it by accident.
Oh, yes, it was in the same pocket as my phone.
That must be it. No problem at all. I'll make you a new card. There you go. This one should work perfectly.
Thank you. I really thought I was doing something wrong.
Not at all. It happens all the time.
Okay, I'll try again. Fingers crossed.
Oh, wow, this room is really nice. Wait, why is it so hot in here? Let me check the air conditioner. It's not turning on. Seriously?
Great. The AC is broken, and now I'm melting. Just perfect. Okay, time to call reception. Hello? Yes, this is Anna Rose in room 512. The air conditioner isn't working.
Oh, I'm very sorry about that. We'll send someone from maintenance right away.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm here to check the AC.
Thank you. It's really hot in here.
Ah, yes. The system froze. I'll reset it. It'll take about 10 minutes to start working again.
The system froze? And you'll reset it? What does that mean?
It means the machine stopped working for a while. I restarted it so it can cool the room again.
Oh, okay, that's quick. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Enjoy your stay.
Good morning, Anna. Did you have a good night?
Not really, Mark. I am afraid I have another problem. A noise problem this time. The room was very noisy last night.
Oh dear, I am sorry to hear that. Noisy. Can you please explain what kind of noise it was? Was it from outside?
No, I think it was the room next door, room 510. They were talking very loudly and playing music until maybe 2 a.m.? I could not sleep well at all. I am very tired today.
I am truly sorry about that, Ms. Rose. Please accept our deepest apologies. We take noise complaints very seriously. I will call room 510 right now and ask them to respect the quiet hours.
Thank you, but honestly, I am worried it will happen again tonight. Is it possible for me to change my room to a quieter one?
Let me check our availability for a quieter room. Yes, we have a very quiet room available on the 6th floor, room 612. It is at the end of the hall, far from the elevator, and it has a nice view of the garden. Would you like to move there?
Room 612. Yes, that sounds much better. Thank you. Can I move my things now before I go out for the day?
Yes, of course. I will prepare a new key card for room 612 immediately. I will also send a bellboy, John, to your current room, 512, to help you move your luggage to 612. It will take him about 10 minutes to get there.
That is very kind of you, Mark. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you solving this problem for me.
It is the least we can do, Miss Rose. We want you to have a comfortable stay. Please come down to the reception when you are ready to collect your new key card.
I will come down in 5 minutes. Thank you again for your understanding and help.
We look forward to seeing you. Have a much better and quieter day.
Wow, this looks amazing. So much food. Okay, Anna, focus. Breakfast first, exploring later.
Good morning. Welcome to the breakfast buffet. Would you like coffee or tea?
Good morning. Oh yes, coffee please. I really need it today.
Of course, here you go. Milk or sugar?
Just a little milk, please. Thank you. Scrambled eggs, fruit, bread, pastries. Wow, everything looks delicious. The eggs are so good. And this bread, soft and warm. I could eat 10 of these.
Good morning. Are you enjoying the breakfast?
Oh, good morning. Yes, very much. It's my first time staying at this hotel.
Really? Welcome then. How's your room?
Well, the key didn't work yesterday and the AC was broken. And then the room next door was super noisy.
Oh no, that sounds stressful.
Yes, but the staff here are really kind. They changed my room and now everything is much better.
That's good to hear. The staff are always helpful here.
So, what do you recommend from the buffet?
The pancakes, they're amazing. And try the fresh orange juice.
Pancakes and orange juice. Great. I'm definitely coming back for more.
Good afternoon, Miss Rose. Checking out today?
Yes, Mark. Sadly, it's time for me to leave. I had a wonderful stay after moving to the new room.
I'm very happy to hear that. May I have your room key, please?
Of course. Here you go.
All right, everything looks good. No extra charges. Would you like your receipt by email or printed?
Email, please. It's easier to keep track of.
Certainly. What was your email again?
AnnaRoseTravel@gmail.com.
All right, done. Your receipt has been sent. How was room 612? Much quieter?
Oh, yes, thank you. I finally slept like a baby. The garden view was beautiful, too.
I'm glad we could make your stay more comfortable.
Honestly, you were incredibly helpful the whole time. Thank you for your patience with all my problems.
You're very welcome. Problems happen. What matters is solving them. We hope to see you again soon.
I hope so too. I really enjoyed the hotel, especially the breakfast. The pancakes were amazing.
Yes, the chef will be happy to hear that.
Before I go, could you call a taxi for me?
Absolutely. It will arrive in about 5 minutes. You may wait in the lobby.
Perfect. Thank you again for everything.
Safe travels, Miss Rose. We hope you have a wonderful rest of your trip.
Thank you. Bye.